Okay, so come to the link from the description to this website and you'll see this option called free download. Click on that and your downloading will start. So I have completed this downloading. All you have to do now is double click on it. You have to can press the Ctrl J for shortcut if you are on a Chrome to see this download or folder download history. Then click on run and wait for a while, and here you have to click I have agreed. And importantly, if you want to install this software on any other setting in any other like a drive, for example I install it on C drive, but I actually want to install on D drive, let's say, then I can click on a D drive, then I can go on to any folder I want to install in. You can do that if you want, but for a demonstration purpose I will just be using C drive. It will take some time, but let me tell you till then that this software is completely free and it does not give any type of watermark or logo after completing your work. And when you go to the save, many times what happens is that people use this, it's a mobile version which is WPS mobile version apps, and when you export the PDF after you are done with your work, the issue is that it gives you a watermark. But the PC version don't do that. It's completely free. You don't have to pay anything to anyone. You can upgrade it if you want, but I don't think it's really that necessary to upgrade it. But you can go for it if you want that. It will take a bit longer, and make sure that your PC is connected to internet here, like mine is connected. It will do some downloading. So make sure you have connected your PC with an internet. And I'll just pause the video to make it fast forward. Now importantly, after you are done with the installation, you will be shown this option that it is finished, and here most importantly, don't untick this option. It says yes, I agree to install 360 total security. It's an antivirus, and let me tell you, if you have any PC with a RAM below 8 GB, I don't think you should install antivirus at all. It takes a lot of resources. If you are like 1632 GB, you can maybe install if you want, but antivirus is really unnecessary, and you have to untick it and start later, otherwise it will start installing antivirus. And let me show you how this works. So here you have the recent option where whatever you have recently opened, and let me show you by this. So this is a Word file that is our Word file, and it's the same as our Microsoft Word. You can see the home, insert, layout. It's for completely free, and it's the same setting, same shortcut. All the shortcuts are same as well. For example, I use the Control S and it saves the file. If you are shown this option, upgrade for improving, it's not necessary. You don't have to upgrade anything. Sometimes it just shows automatically, and you can use the AI here if you want. I didn't try the AI option, but you have to sign up for it, and you can do it if you want. It's completely for free, but I just didn't use it because I didn't really need an AI. I already have the Microsoft Edge for that. So you can see all the options are same, and also this is applicable to PPTs as well. For example, this is a PPT file. You can have multiple files here, just like the Chrome tab. If I just switch here, it is now Word file. This is the PPT file. This app lets you use all the formats like PPT, docs, PDF, and it works just like the Chrome. See, it's the same as the Chrome, and also here it has the same shortcut. If you press the Control plus W, it closes the tab. See, it's the same as the Chrome, but it's imaging kind of like the Chrome plus Microsoft Word. That's how it is. So if you like the video and this software has helped you, make sure that you subscribe to the channel before leaving and like the video.